Okay, so this is the Weebly tutorial for updating the site. It's pretty easy. I sent an email through Weebly for you to sign up. I'm assuming when you do create a sign up, it'll bring you to this page or something like it. This is the weathertestg.weebly site. This is really the only one you need to click on. I'll show you the other one for Randy, but this is Kerry's weather wall. And what you do is you click on Edit Site. It's taking a second to load. And it's really just drag and play. On the left are things that you can just pull in and drop. I'm not going to do that because it just messes everything up. Really, the only thing you'd have to do is click on Discussion, right? And then just make your edits. This is the Twitter that's still not loading properly. Not sure why. We'll work on that. Move this over a little bit so you can really just kind of play around with it, move things in. You can bring down this here for some more options, but really the only ones you're really going to need are title, text, image. Maybe you drop a code in there. If you want to drop a video, you can go down to here and drag that over as well. And then if you want to replace a picture, you just double click replace, upload it from your computer. You could type blah, 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 blah. So actually what I'm going to do is just write, "We are in the clear, it seems, regarding the weekend storm." I'm going to get rid of this picture here. And then change this date to the 7th. What I might want to do, let's pause this. So I just want to add to what I wrote. So typically what I do for like spell check and whatnot is I'll type out what I want to write in Word doc, and then it'll make edits for me. And then I'll just copy paste it like so. And see, I screwed up the paste. There we go. This helps me get rid of just spelling errors and whatnot. I haven't put the graphic up. I'm going to talk about the graphic because I know what the graphic is. So this graphic above also shows how the, let's say, movement of the storm will proceed. And I'm done. I'm going to replace this image with my own. This is the image I wanted to talk about. Right? So then, okay, I feel like I'm done for now. So what I want to do is just hit publish. And then you can click on the link. And it will come up. Weather briefings, main weather wall site. Click on discussion, and there's what we just added. Pretty easy. I'll do one of these for Storm Scoop. It's pretty much the same thing. And let me know if you have any questions.